Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're going to walk you through a few greeting cards I'm going to create. Last year I did some greeting cards and these are left over from that group of cards that I had created, and I had prepped a bunch of different embossed papers for that, and I had used this Cuttlebug Provo Craft embossing folder, put a piece of paper inside here, and I placed it through my die cutting machine, rolled it through, and I ended up with this beautiful embossed piece of paper that I can use on the front of the card. I also have a bunch of pre-cut die cuts that I have already done just to save me time. The colorful snowflakes are from the Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous Swirly Snowflakes collection and the Mini Swirly Snowflakes collection, and I used the Tim Holtz Alterations Sussex Framelits number 662436. I also die cut quite a few of these snowflakes from the Tim Holtz Alterations Thinlits Sizzix die number 661599. I also cut out some peace letters from the My Favorite Things Dynamics Peace die set MFT-1221211. Any products that you see me using in this video, you can find in the product links in the description of this video. The first thing I want to do is take these pre-cut card bases that I found at Tuesday Morning last year, and I am going to fold them, and I'm going to use my Fiskars bone folder.
It's got some paint on it, don't look at that.
That to crisp up the lines of the scored fold. What do I want to do? I do have this. Ooh, I could do two with joy. I purchased these letters from Tuesday Morning. They didn't give me extra letters, so I took the Q and I'm like, oh, I could totally turn that into an O by just trimming that off of there. Noel. Looks good. I think first thing I need to do is put the backgrounds on the card base. Now that I have this on here, I have a bunch of overage. I'm just gonna trim it from the back, and we're gonna see how well I did about getting this even. The best thing to have done in this situation is to pre-cut it so that it's the exact size. It's not too bad.
I've seen better.
Sassy, you just be your sassy self somewhere else. I don't like this on the side here, and on this too, I don't like how it's plain. We will distract from it. So here's the thing, I have sticky backers on here, and I'm not sure how well they're gonna stick. We'll do the Noel first, but we're just gonna try it and see how well it does. Does not really want to stay. Yeah, it comes right off. So my solution to this, I'm gonna use some Scotch double-sided foam tape. Just gonna cut off some pieces here. We'll trim them out. So I have all of these on here. I'm gonna stick that on there. I hope you find joy this holiday season. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things,
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer. Until next time, love your guts. Bye!